There's a myth that if you attach dynamite to an arrow and fire it into a tree, the explosion will split the trunk straight down the middle. So the Mythbusters decided to put it to the test. They brought in giant pine logs because pine has long, straight fibers that might actually help a tree split cleanly. For safety, they used a remote-controlled compound bow and replaced real dynamite with a safer explosive that delivered the same amount of power. The first test used a single stick attached to the arrow. The arrow hit the tree and exploded on impact. The blast looked huge, but the trunk barely showed any damage. So they doubled the explosives and tried again. Bigger explosion, same result, no split. At that point, they realized the problem. The explosion was happening outside the tree, so most of the force was escaping into the air instead of traveling through the trunk. For the final test, they drove an arrow directly into the tree and attached 6 sticks of explosives, the maximum amount allowed at the bomb range. The explosion was absolutely massive, but when the smoke cleared, the tree was still standing, and the trunk hadn't split down the middle.